I have set up Marian Islands as a place where you can get free, copyright available materials that you can use for your own work. And I'm going to show you how to gather some of those right now. Now, my avatar's there, and the building behind my avatar, when I right-click on the building and wait a moment, you'll see that a menu comes up, and I have a variety of options when I slide over the menu. In this case, you, not being owner, won't be able to take things directly. What you want to do is click More, and then you'll have the option of taking a copy, which is a little bit hidden here under my picture. So I'm going to take a copy and put this into my inventory, and I'll show you what that is in a moment. Now go around the island and take as many things as you want. I come over to get some furniture, and I want to right-click on the object, click on More, and then take a copy. And so we'll go around, take furniture, take plants, take buildings, and populate your inventory with items that you think you might want to use. Now I've moved to a different part of the island and just want to illustrate. Here I'm seeing something. When I pause over it, it says it's a daisy field. Now I'm going to right-click on it, and when I hit Edit, I can actually learn more about the item. And so that just is a way if you want to find out more about who created this. But I'm right-clicking, and sometimes with vegetation, trees, and all that, it's hard to find the actual object. Now, I did find the object, but when I would ultimately click to More and then take Copy, sometimes I have a little trouble finding the object. So you might have to click a few places, particularly with vegetation, to find an object that you want. Later, you'll learn how to actually use these objects. For now, though, I move to another space in the island, and I'm clicking the inventory icon. First, I'm paused over it. It looks like a suitcase. And when I click the icon, it opens up a window and shows me what's in my inventory. Now, I happen to be over at my recent inventory. I click that option, and you can see some things that I just picked up, like the daisy field. I also was looking for waterfalls. I have these objects. When you come in, you will have an inventory, and I'm clicking to that button, which looks something like this. And since I have a lot of things already, it's pretty filled up, but your inventory will mostly have items under Objects, which I'm going to toggle open, and you'll see any new objects that you just picked up there. So once you have enough objects, we'll look at what you can do with them. But today, there are many free objects that are available for you to start out with right away. So thank you, and we'll look at the rest pretty soon.